Hi students, today we are going to discuss about land and oceans. Land and oceans, which is in the 6th standard social science, term 1, lesson 2, geography part. Land and oceans. In the last videos, we have discussed about lands and the classification of lands. First order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms and their features. And now we are going to discuss about oceans, water bodies, oceans. So, what are the oceans and what are the features for the ocean? The earth is blue. When we see it from space, it looks like a blue color because the earth called a blue planet because of the water body. This is because 2/3 of it is covered by water. So it's look like a blue color planet. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expansion of water bodies. Seas are partially or fully enclosed by land. As you have studied previously, there are 5 main oceans in the world. There are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. These are the 5 main oceans in the world. Now we are going to discuss about area of oceans in percentage. The Pacific Ocean 47%, Pacific Ocean 47%, Atlantic Ocean 23% of water, 23%, Indian Ocean 20%, Indian Ocean 20%, Southern Ocean 6%, Southern Ocean 6% and Arctic Ocean is only 4%. Totally the 71% of water bodies, only the seas and oceans. Now we have discussed 5 main oceans in the world. That is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, let us move to the first ocean, Pacific Ocean. This is largest and deepest ocean in the world. Listen, the Pacific Ocean is largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Oceans in the north to the South Ocean in the south. This ocean's shape is roughly triangular with its apex in the north at Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meter and is located in the Pacific Ocean. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire. Do you know the Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean Pacific meaning calm or tranquil? Now the next topic is Atlantic Ocean. This is the second largest ocean in the world. It's look like a S shape. It's look like a S shape, and the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Oceans in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. Letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has a depth of about 8,600 meters. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea and the Mediterranean Sea are important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. Saint Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean.